Today I want to make a Bramble's bud mother tincture because it repairs bones and cartilage. And I need that. I need that after 16 years of breastfeeding. I have some bone problem, and this helps a lot, but it's very expensive and pretty easy to make by myself. So to do that, you have to take this bud, the bud of brambles. It's a bit sticky, but it's pretty easy. And you will put them in alcohol and let them 1 week, and it's done. The buds are a concentrate of all properties of the plants. So all good things are in the buds. If it is difficult to pick, you can just turn it a bit. This way, it is very easy to pick. Nobody likes brambles, right? But in fact you should, because this plant can really help you a lot. It repairs bone and cartilage and many other things. It has many medicinal properties. You can also eat this bud or young leaves. Now I have picked a lot, and I will just pat it in some strong alcohol. As you see, I have made some of it already, and it gets totally dark. It's in fact done, but I will put the other one in this. Trop. Je pense que ça suffit. Il ne faut pas que ce soit, tu vois, il faut que ce soit juste... Je veux vraiment que ce soit très concentré en plante, quoi.
Ouais. Pour pas que tu...
I want to have it very concentrated